Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this curly wig that I received from Mega Look Hair Company. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, continue watching. So today's video is sponsored by Mega Look Hair Company, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I received in my package. So I got this melt band, some eyelashes, a wig cap, an edge control brush, a little fashion clip, and of course the wig itself. So this was a 26-inch wig. I'm just gonna unpackage it and show you guys exactly how it looks. So this is a 13x4 frontal wig, and it is a water wave texture in 180 density. They call this the Pinao color, and I'm just showing you guys the inside. So it has two combs at the side, one comb in the center by the frontal, and one comb at the back. It also comes with the adjustable bands and an extra band in the inside in case you want it to be glueless. And I'm just showing you guys the hairline. So it does come a bit plucked already, but I did go ahead and pluck it again some more. And I'm just showing you guys the curls. This hair was super full. I loved it. Once again, it was 180 density. So in case you guys want that super full look, I suggest getting this density. So we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this tutorial. So I'm just showing you guys the hair once I've plucked it and all that good stuff. My hair was already braided, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap. I like to always push my wig cap a bit, and now I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm just applying that to the front portion of the wig cap and also at the back of the lace on the wig. Now I'm just going ahead and I'm cutting off that extra lace at the back of the wig because we do not need it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. So I always like to use the comb at the back of the wig, stick it inside the wig cap in the middle of my head, and pull the wig up. And you just wanna make sure the wig fits properly. So I'm also gonna go in with my hot comb and just brush the hair back. That way I can see the hairline nice and clearly. So once the wig is fitting my head properly and the frontal is fitting just fine, I'm going with my comb and I'm going to part out that ear area, and I'm just gonna cut out any extra lace that is around my ear because you do not want any lace covering your ear. That way you know the wig is sitting nice and flat when you're ready to glue it down or spray it down with any adhesive. So the adhesive I'm using today is the Ebin adhesive, and I'm just spraying that along the hairline. You want to make sure the wig is in place exactly where you want it when spraying this down. And then I'm going in with my melt band and I'm just going to tie it down and allow it to dry. So while I'm waiting for the hairline to dry, I'm just going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I am just going to press down the frontal portion. That way the wig is laying nice and flat. So I do this in little sections, as you can see, and I just apply that wax stick and put the hot comb over it. For those who don't normally wear wigs, I am just hot combing the hair in the direction that I'm parting it in. So because I'm doing a side part, I'm now working on the opposite side and making sure that I am putting the wax stick and the hot comb in the direction that I want the hair to stay in. Once that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the melt band because now my hairline is dry, and I'm just combing it through because it is going to be hard from spraying it. And then I'm going back in with my hot comb as well. And once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace. So I like to make a slit with a pair of scissors in the middle first, and then I use my razor and I razor it off from one side down, and then I move to the next side and razor that down as well. So if you do see that any parts of the hair needs to be sprayed again, you can go ahead and spray that adhesive back on the hairline and then wrap it and allow it to dry again. Now I'm using my water bottle and I'm just spraying down the hair. As you can see, this is so much hair, guys, but if you know, I love me some water wave hair, so I'm just spraying this down really well. You want to make sure you get everywhere. So once the hair is sprayed, I'm going in with my mousse, and this mousse is for curls, and I'm just applying that all over the hair as well. So I do like to use a good amount of product, guys, so don't mind me. And so now this is how the hair is looking. Like, guys, look at these curls. They look so nice and defined. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the melt band. And once again, I am going to comb through the hairline where I sprayed the adhesive. And now I'm just defining my part. So I went ahead, made sure I created the part how I wanted it to be. I'm adding more mousse. And also I am going to be going in with my hot comb. And I'm just pressing that down. I decided I did want some baby hair, so I also did go ahead and part that out. So that's what I'll be doing now. I just added one little swoop to the side. So guys, I'm just doing the little finishing touches now. I like to go in with this small makeup brush and conceal my part, especially since I don't do the bald cap method. I feel like it helps to blend the wig better. And then I'm going in with my shine spray from Paul Mitchell, and I'm just spraying that all over the hair. I also went in with my olive oil sheen, and I sprayed that as my little finishing touch. But this is how it is looking, guys. I thought it was really nice. It came out really nice. And I think that this color blended really well with my skin tone as well. So it was like a highlight of a blonde and a honey blonde. But this is how it's looking without the black cape on me. It felt nice and soft. It was nice and thick, all that good stuff. I loved it. So shout out to Mega Look Hair Company for sending over this super cute unit. If you guys are interested, all the hair details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. They have a whole bunch of other wigs, guys. I've worked with them multiple times, so I'm just showing you guys a good look of the hair. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. I was feeling myself at this point. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.